Hey guys, welcome to my class. My name is Smriti, your coach from Foundation Knowledge is present here. We are going to start a new chapter that is Agriculture Part 1. So without any delay, let's start. First we will do the introduction of this. So in the introduction we have to learn what is agriculture. So agriculture means cultivation or growing of crops that that also include rearing of livestock, forest and fishing. इस एग्रीकल्चर ज़्यादातर तो क्रॉप्स की ग्रोइंग रहती कल्टीवेशन में होती है, लेकिन इसमें और कुछ भी एक्टिविटीज़ इंक्लूड रहते हैं, जैसे कि लाइवस्टॉक की रेयरिंग हो, फॉरेस्ट्री हो या तो फिशिंग हो. और एक फन फैक्ट, टोटल वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन में अबाउट 50% एग्रीकल्चर में एंगेज. करेक्ट. Now, the activities that are related to agriculture are what? The first one is rearing of livestock. देखिए कि एग्रीकल्चर में रिलेटेड होती है क्रॉप्स की ग्रोइंग, जो कि हम लोग सब जानते हैं, लेकिन और कुछ एक्टिविटीज क्या क्या. एक है रियरिंग ऑफ लाइवस्टॉक. लाइवस्टॉक रियर करना, जैसे कि काऊ को हम लोग साइड में रखते हैं हमारे घर, मिल्क पाने के लिए, मिल्क से भी वगैरह वगैरह चीज़ बनता है, राइट. उसके बाद हमारा फॉरेस्ट्री होती है, और फिशिंग पिसीकल्चर होती है. पिसीकल्चर का मतलब फिश का ब्रीडिंग. सेरिकल्चर ब्रीडिंग ऑफ सिल्कवर्म. एपीकल्चर कीपिंग ऑफ बीज. हॉर्टिकल्चर ग्रोइंग ऑफ वेजिटेबल फ्रूट्स एंड फ्लावर्स. विटीकल्चर कल्टिवेशन ऑफ ग्रेप्स. क्लियर हुआ आप लोगों को? नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट. The next are factors that influence agriculture. What are the factors that influence the agriculture? The first one is physical features. Physical features क्या होता है ना, देखिए कुछ लैंडफॉर्म्स होते हैं जो कि इन्फ्लुएंस करती है क्रॉप की कल्टीवेशन को इन a very large extent. Like the fertile plains, river valleys and deltas are more suitable for farming. And in these areas, the land has valuable soil and population concentration is high. And so cheap farm labor is easily available. Also, transportation and use of farm machinery is convenient. In plateaus, the presence of rocks makes the plowing difficult because the soil is not so fertile. Similarly, in the mountains, the soil is thin and the soil erosion takes place easily. Transportation and use of farm machinery is also very difficult. Right? Now let's move to the climate. So now we will study about the next factor, that is climate. The crops that can be grown in a particular area that depend on the temperature and rainfall of that area. If we will take the example of rice. Rice requires a lot of heat and water, and hence it is grown in wet tropical and subtropical regions, while wheat requires moderate amount of heat and water is grown in dry subtropical and temperate regions. Millets can grow in hot areas with less rainfall. Now plants do not grow well in places with very cold climate, and thus hardly any agricultural activities occur here. Now we will talk about soil. The quantity of soil determines the type of crops that are grown. Alluvial soil is very fertile and most crops can grow in it. While clay soil retains a lot of water and only crops will thrive in water can grow in it. The soil which are porous and contain high nutrients produce the good quality crops. Now economic and human factors. Capital and technology are the two most important economic factors that influence the agriculture. Like capital means paisa is required for better farm inputs like the seeds, like the manure, fertilizers, irrigation, facilities and implements. So capital is also required to use modern machinery and farm technology. What is technology? Technology is required to improve the cropping, like the hybrid. And whenever newer and better technology is used, the crop yield has shown significantly better. And that results both in terms of quantity and quality. For example, the excellent example of this is the prairies in North America. Transport facilities, availability of loans for farmers, and favorable government policies for procurement of agriculture produce are other economic factors influencing the agriculture. Now, adequate and cheap labor is the human factor that influences agriculture also. So, we have discussed about the normal thing that introduction factors influence agriculture. So, in the next class, we will learn further. For today, this much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.